So one more kind of OGA related update, but you may be aware of it already if you're participating in the home renovation savings program. This is the IESO program, the Save on Energy program, which is currently available to electrically heated homes and to natural gas homes. Now, the geothermal rebate for gas homes is very insufficient, and there's probably a real strong reason for that with Enbridge being involved in hybrid heat pump systems. That's just my view. But the program does advertise heat pumps up to $12,000, and that's focused on the geothermal portion, which is $2,000 per ton. And so you may be aware, but how the program is assessing tonnage, or what that rebate, that $2,000 per ton should be, is based on the heat pump's heating capacity at closed loop conditions. So they're taking the rated heating capacity, which is available through Enercan's eligible equipment database, a rated heating capacity at closed loop conditions. So at 32F EWT, which is based on the standard HRI standard 13256, whatever it is. So that, example, one that we just recently came across was a 6-ton. Heating capacity of that at 32F EWT is 54,000. They paid out 4.5 tons worth of a rebate, or they were going to. That's what they're going to pay out. So that means that a 6-ton system, which you would traditionally think would get $12,000 at $2,000 per ton, is only going to get 4.5 tons worth of rebate. So that is a big problem in my view. And so I've been speaking with folks at the OGA, and we're working to engage with the ISO on this. I've already brought it up to them that I think it's a challenge. And so now we need to do some more engagement with them to help them better understand that. So just something to be aware of when you're speaking with your customers. Now, we are also expecting the oil and propane version of the program to have been launched at the end of Q1, which is now come and gone. So we're waiting to see where that piece of the program is. And so stay tuned to this newsletter. I'll update you. And I'm sure the OGA newsletter will update as well as that information becomes available. Okay, thanks very much.